So what we'll do is we'll try to duplicate a section. So let's suppose we'll select this section. We'll click on this and click on right click once and click on duplicate, and we see that this one is duplicated here as well. We can move this section up or move this section down by just grabbing it through left click and then dragging it way down here and release it, and we see that this has been dragged from here to here. Or what we can do is we can just click on structure, and we see that when we click on the section, whichever section we'll click, for example we click on this section, the section will be highlighted here as well. Or when we select, for suppose, this section, then this will be highlighted here. So what we can do is, if we want to, let's suppose we want to drag this section above this one as it was before. So we'll click on this, see this is highlighted, and we want to take it just below above this section. So what we'll do is we want to drag it before this, between these two sections. So what we'll do is click here and we can release it here. Wait a second, yeah, and release it here. See, we have placed this 1 second before as it was. So in short, we can drag the section from here and here as well. Whichever works best for you, you can do that. And now we will try to add a text editor. For example, when we try to edit this text editor from here, we see that we cannot hyperlink, for example, this word. We don't have the option to hyperlink it. What we'll do is, for this, what we'll do is we'll just copy the whole section, or we can copy this content from somewhere else, from our document or wherever we have saved it. We will click on add element, and then we will see this search widget. We will click on search widget and type text, and we will see that text editor, this simple text editor will come here, not the heading, not anything else. We'll just click on text editor and drag it wherever we want to place it. We'll release it there. Now we see that this text editor's edit section is highlighted here. Here we can format it or style it as we can. For example, if we want to, we have copied the content from here, now we want to paste it here. We'll select all and paste it. See, the entire content is pasted here as well. And what we'll do is we'll click on it and then right click, and then we will click delete. Now the text, we will click on text editor, and now we will hyperlink this word buyers. We'll click on insert or edit link, and we'll insert any link. For example, gold outreach agency.com. Okay, and then we'll click on apply. Now see, this has been hyperlinked. See, so this is how we add a text editor. And if we want to drag this text editor within this section or within the whole page, we can drag it and place it here, or we can drag it and place it here, or we can drag it and place it below this. We can place it anywhere else, like in another section we can move this to another section. See, another section, or here. So the drag and drop system works in the entire page. as it is.